Okay, Dad, there's, see the two white things? Those are the two actuators. One is, the one on the top left is for the heater, and the one on the bottom right is for the AC. They have little plastic gears in them, and when they grind, or should I say wear out, they make that clicking noise and don't let the dampers open. So I'm going to go ahead and put the new one on for the heater. The AC one hasn't come in yet. Okay, now that we got it installed, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, which can be kind of tricky. This cord is kind of short. Okay, there we go. Now I have the heater one installed, and I'm waiting for the AC one part, like I said, and let me start it up and see how it works. Well, it worked. As you can see, we kind of had to really tear apart this back to get to these. We had to do a little demolition. Over here is part of the back panel, which you can see is pretty disgusting. But when it's all said and done, I'll take a final picture and it'll look like brand new.